Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a different scenario in time intelligence function. So in last video also I have talked the similar scenario. So please try to watch, you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking in today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop, there we can understand the today's video demo. So already I have designed the report for time being, so I'll try to explain what I have done here step by step. So before getting into details of the report, so please let me go through the what kind of tables I have imported for Power BI desktop. Okay, customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, and category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, go to the model tab, so collapse here, try to now scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that we have already established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So if you place the mouse over here in between any dimension of fact table, some kind of color is highlighting. It means that we have enabled the relation by using the product key between the dimension tables and fact tables. Like that I have established the relationship for other dimension tables also. So understanding relationship, it's very important, then we'll get better idea how the filter propagation has been flowing from dimension to the fact table. Okay, so we'll try to talk about in great detail in upcoming sessions, but in today's video we'll try to focus on what the report, it's how it is working and that. Okay, so in last video I have talked, so based on the rank selection, based on the day select, we are fetching the data from last month to the backward. But in today's video, from the start of the month, based on this day select, we are getting the dates. Okay, so here we have three slicers. One is a month, another one is year. So this is the rank in the cell days, we can call it as a. So based on these three selection, so automatically the data is getting filtered. So what it means that, for example, I have year 2004, so I have the month May. So based on this value select, for example, if I select 5 means, so in 2004 May month, from the 1st of the May 1st to up to number of days we have select. For example, if I select 5 means we'll get up to 5. Okay, 5 days sales for the May month. If I get 7 means from 1st of May to 7 days sales. From 10 means we'll get from May 1st to 10. 12 means 12. 15 means 15 days from the first month of the to the select which we are getting, so it will give the those main number of days. Okay, so likewise I have implemented the report. So this is the total sales. For example, in May month up to 15 days, what is the total sales? So this is the sales. Individually, do you want each day wise, we can go through this. Okay, likewise I have designed the report. See, it's a dynamic nature. Even we can select any year, any month, so automatically it gives the, it will work in dynamic nature. So here, so I have taken the another chart, so clustered column chart here. So based on the sales, I have, it gives the different colors. For example, in 2004, if I click on May means some of the days getting different colors, some colors are, some days are different colors. Why it is? Because I have created a separate expression to get these colors like that. So first of all, we'll try to see the sales by date measure. Later we'll go through that how I write the expression to get these colors and all. Okay, so go to this sales by date. So try to zoom it. So here I have taken 4 variables. One is year variable, month variable, and a day variable. Another one is sales by date variable. Okay, So here, what are the year, month, rank selection we are capturing into these variables, and finally in this variable we are using those variables. Okay, so year means what are the year, month number means what are the month we have selected, and the day number means we are doing some conditioning here. So based on the condition we are returning. Finally, if the sales by date this value is null, it returns the blank, otherwise it returns whatever the expression we have written here, it makes good. Okay, so likewise due to that it's working this condition. Even if I click on 10 means we'll get the 10 days sales from first of the month. Okay, 12 means 12 days sales, 7 means 7 days sales, 5 means 5 days sales. Like that dynamically we can choose how many days sales you want per particular month and particular year. Okay, so for getting these colors, so I have written some switch expression here, you can see that. So whatever the expression we are getting sales by date, if it is greater than 10,000 give this color, if it is greater than 6,000 give this color, if it is greater than 5,000, like that I have written this expression. Based on this expression we are changing the colors automatically. For example, in this case if you look at here, red color we are 13,000, it's more than 10,000, right? You can see, right? More. In case if I change the month means, say this one is less than 4,000, this color is 8,000. Okay, 6,000, 6 to 8, 8 means we are getting this color. If it is greater than 10,000 means we are getting this one. If it is 4,000 above means we are getting this color. We'll try to see some different example. See, in this case we have different colors. It is less than 1,000. See, again we are getting different colors. Okay, this one is so greater than 5,000. So based on the sales for each day wise we are getting the different colors. We can increase the 15 days also. So there are some cases might will get this kind of requirement, but based on the selection of day for a specific month and year we can easily get those number of days you want to see, and we can analyze which day it's performing good amount of sales, which day is not performing well, so we can take some analysis on this report. So I hope you understand this report. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I will try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.